Hi, good day, Ma'am Annadel. Can you tell me about yourself?
Good day, ma'am. I'm Annabel Mataro Masinsin. I am 44 years old. I have 3 children, 1 boy and 2 girls, and their ages are 24, 22, and 21. I live in M.A. Rojas Street, Bagong Bayan, Pililla, Rizal. I have 1 brother and 6 sisters, and I am the 4th in the family. I am married, but now I'm widowed.
Alright, thank you. And then how would you describe yourself?
I am cheerful, trustworthy, and loving mother.
Okay. And then may I know your reason why you want to apply abroad?
I want to apply abroad to save money for the future of my children and buy my own house.
Alright. And then do you have any work experience abroad?
Yes, ma'am. I work in Saudi as domestic worker in 2018 to 2020.
Alright. So did you finish your contract as
Yes,
domestic
ma'am.
helper? Okay. So can you please tell me your duties and responsibilities as helper in Saudi?
I am doing household chores like cleaning the whole house, ironing, wash clothes, and cooking.
Alright. And then aside from Saudi, do you have work experience abroad?
Yes, ma'am. I work in Qatar, year 2021 to 2025.
Alright. Is it 2 years contract?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright. So, two contract.
Yes, ma'am. 2 contracts.
Okay. So, did you finish your contracts?
Yes, ma'am. I finished.
Okay. So, can you please tell me your duties and responsibilities as helper in Qatar?
I do household chores like cleaning house, washing clothes, ironing clothes, and cooking.
Alright. And then, are you willing to take care of small children, newborn baby, or elderly person abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, how would you take care of naughty children or children with temper tantrums?
I will talk them with patience and I will treat them like my own children.
Okay. So, how about if the newborn baby is crying at night?
I will go there to check if they are hungry and I will feed them.
Alright. And then, what will you do if you become homesick?
I do my work properly and I will make myself busy.
Okay. So, are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
Alright. So, how do you describe your cooking skills?
I know how to cook Filipino dishes like kare-kare, menudo, sinigang. And I also know how to cook Arabic food like kabsa, biryani.
Alright. And then, are you willing to learn new dishes abroad?
Yes, ma'am. I'm willing to learn new dishes abroad.
Okay. So, do you have any food allergy?
No, ma'am. I don't have.
Do you eat everything?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, do you have the full consent of your family to go and work abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you promise not to use your cell phone during working hours?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you promise to be honest and loyal to your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have the physical energy to keep up with the children?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you drink alcohol?
No, ma'am.
How about smoking?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any body tattoo?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any history of surgery or serious sickness in the past?
No, ma'am.
Are you willing to wake up very early in the morning or sleep
Yes,
late at
ma'am.
night? Are you willing to work during day off and employer will pay you overtime?
Yes, ma'am.
For the final question, Ma'am Annadel, what is your final message to your future employer abroad?
Good day, ma'am and sir. I am a trustworthy, loyal, and cheer-loving person. I promise to take care of your children, and I promise to finish my 2 years contract. And I'm willing to learn how to cook your native food and learn how to speak your language. I hope to choose me, ma'am and sir. Thank you.